Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to look on the rules of integer addition. Here we are going to see type of numbers. Either we are adding positive and positive number, or negative and negative, positive and negative, negative and positive. We are going to see also the operation that you are going to do, result, and we have example that is going to lead us on all these scenarios. First, if we are adding positive number and positive number, the answer is going to be positive number. Example, positive 12 plus 16. All these are positive and the answer is going to be positive. So the answer for this is going to be 28. When we have numbers that is negative and negative, also we are going to add the number, but the result is going to be negative as the components. So here we are going to take 12 plus 16. We are going to get 28, but this time it is negative because the first number is negative and the second number is negative. We are going to get the answer equal to negative. So what we can conclude here, positive plus positive, we are going to get the answer positive, and negative plus negative, we are going to get the answer negative. If we have positive number and negative number, what we're going to do, we are going to find the difference, and then the answer, it can be positive or negative. Let's see this example here. Positive 12 plus negative 16. What we are going to do, we are going to find the absolute value of all this number. Absolute value of 12 is 12, and absolute value of 16, it is 16. After that, we are going to find the difference, that is 16, take away 12, we are going to get 4. Now, what is the sign of 4? The sign of 4 is going to be the sign of the big number. Now, the big number carries negative. This also is going to carry negative. Let us see when we have a negative number plus positive number. Again, we are going to find the difference. That is, we take absolute value of minus 12, that is going to be 12, and absolute value of 16, that is going to be 16 positive. After that, we find the difference. The difference is going to be 16, take away 12. We'll get the answer equal to 4. The question is, what is the sign of 4? The sign of 4 is going to be the sign of the big number, that is 16. 16 carries positive. And this one, 4, also is going to carry positive. Now we understand how to do. Let us do this question together. Let us do question number 1. We have minus 10 plus 24. This is equal to, here we have a negative and positive. What you're going to do first, we are going to find the absolute value of minus 10 and absolute value of 24, which is going to give us absolute value of minus 10 will come out as positive 10, and here is going to be 24. Then you are going to find the difference, 14. Now 14 is going to be positive because the biggest number, it carries positive, so we are going to get positive 14. Let's do question number 2. We have 12 plus minus 35, we are going to take absolute value of 12, it is 12, and absolute value of minus 35, that is 35. We'll take the difference between 35 and 12, we will get 23, but 23 is going to carry negative because the highest number carries sign negative. So we are going to have negative 23. Let's do question number 3. We have minus 49 plus 24. We are going to take absolute value of minus 49, will come out as 49, and also we are going to take absolute value of 24, will come as 24. Then we are going to find the difference of 49 and 24, that will give us 25. Now, what is going to be the sign of the answer? It is going to be negative because the big number in quantity has negative. So the answer is going to be negative 25. Let us do question number 4. We have minus 13 plus minus 21. We are adding negative number and negative number. So what we're going to do here, we just add the number. We are going to get 34. But since we are adding both of them, they are negative, the answer also is going to be negative. We are working with negative number and positive number. I'm going to find the absolute value of minus 54, which is going to give me positive 54, and absolute value of 30, that is going to be 30. After that, I'm going to find the difference between 54 and 30, that is going to be 24. The sign of 24 is going to be the sign of the big number. The big number carries negative, and also the answer is going to carry negative. I hope you understand these questions. For more questions, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.